Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by auditing and prioritizing keywords so your effort pays off. Run a site crawl and fix critical technical issues like mobile responsiveness, SSL, and sitemap errors. This preserves rank while you work. Next, identify high-value keywords by intent and volume and group them into target pages. Once done, assign priority and measurable targets so every page has a purpose. Make sure to record baseline metrics, traffic, positions, load time, so you can track progress as you implement changes. You now implement on-page and content tactics that move the needle. Optimize titles, meta descriptions, headers, and URLs for the primary keyword, and write content that satisfies user intent with clear H1s and supporting H2s. Once complete, build content clusters, a pillar page linking to 3-5 focus subpages to consolidate topical authority. Also add schema markup, descriptive alt text, and internal links to distribute equity. Make sure to compress images and improve LCP. You finish with off-page work and verification to lock in results. Build relevant backlinks through targeted outreach, PR, and high-quality guest contributions while keeping anchor text natural. This increases authority. Once done, monitor core web vitals, crawl logs, indexation, and ranking trends daily to spot issues fast. If performance drops, revert recent deployments, inspect Search Console for penalties, and check server logs for crawl blocks. Make sure to prioritize fixes that restore user experience and indexability first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.